Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today in my video I am going to use some DecoArt Enchanted shimmer paints, iridescent, like an interference paint, and the 4 of them are DecoArt, and I've got one, this little piggy interference, and I'm going to use a 6x6 tile. I'm going to pour down my black Sherwin-Williams color to go, I think this is Hawthorn Black, Tricorn Black. That was mixed up. These colors work the best on dark colors. So you could use any dark color. I just happen to have black right now. So we'll see how this work goes. I'm gonna pour down some puddles. And then I'll tilt it. It's gonna be a messy one. Okay, I'll show you my colors. So the first I have, this one's called Sequence by this little piggy. That's a purpley color, goldy purpley color. So I'll put a few, I'm just going to put it in little puddles. So I'll put some puddles out. It's all mixed with my bloom pouring medium. Untinted house paint and varnish. All right, that's enough of that. Then this one is DecoArt Enchanted Turquoise. This one seems a little thick. I might just thin it down a little bit with my varnish and water. It looks white when you put it on, but as it sits, it'll show. You can already see the purple here. See a little bit of the turquoise around the edges. This one is gold. I only have 4 of these colors, so I'd like to get a couple more because they're pretty nice. Okay. And then the next one is blue. Just going to add a little bit of water to this one, my varnish water. violet, shimmer violet. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. Comment below, let me know what you think. It all helps my channel grow. My recipes are in the description under the video. I think I'll put a little bit of the, where's this one? Of the piggy. Just put a little one, oops, here. It'd probably come off anyway. All right, that's probably good. Then what I'm gonna do is take my skewer and I'm gonna make some designs. I'll do a couple this way and then I should be okay. And all you do is tilt. So let's see, I'm gonna do one corner at a time. Can already see the colors shining through. I'll go this way. Go this way. Come back. Just do corner at a time. I'll come to the other corner. And then bring it back. Let's see what we got. Bring it this way a little bit. Very pretty. Oh, I love it. I'm just going to wipe the bottom. There. Nice little video, and we'll see how this dries. Nice little tile, I should say. I just stuck my arm in my paint. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Puddle Pour. Wow, it's really shiny. Dried pretty good. Look at that gold shining in there. Wow. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.